functions are mathematical relationships that have an interesting relationship. So for a function, you're going to have an input value of x that goes in, but now you're only going to have one output value, right? Because that's how a function works. One input is going to give you one output. You'll never have one input go into your function. Now, there are mathematical relationships that do that, but you're going to have one unique output. Now, that's kind of informal, but that's a great way to think about it. You're going to have one unique output for each input. So when I look at this, notice that this is like a table of values. So if I were to write this as a table of values, basically what I'm saying is that when x is 4, what is my corresponding y value? Well, I follow the arrow, 21. When x is 6, what's my corresponding value? Well, it's -7, right? When x is 3, my output is -23. So when x is -5, then my output is 12. So for every input, in other words, when x is -5, I plug that into my function f, whatever that is, and I get an output of 12. Y equals 12. So notice that there's only one arrow leaving the x's. And another thing I want to point out, that the x's do not repeat because there's one unique output for each input. So this is an example of a function. Now, there are other types of mathematical relationships that are not functions, but this one is a function because there's one unique output for each input. And that's it.